Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile. First, download the free app from your device's app store. Once installed, complete the brief in-game tutorial. It will teach you the fundamental controls and mechanics. After the tutorial, you can choose from various exciting game modes like multiplayer or battle royale. This game offers a fast-paced, action-packed experience right on your mobile device, perfect for quick sessions or extended play. Get ready to jump into the action. Mastering the controls is key to success. Use the virtual joystick on the left side of your screen to move your character around the map. To aim, drag your finger on the right side of the screen and tap the dedicated fire button to shoot. Remember to utilize tactical movements like crouching or going prone. These actions significantly reduce your visibility and improve accuracy. Also, practice jumping over obstacles and sliding to quickly evade enemy fire and navigate the environment efficiently. Your loadout is crucial for dominating the battlefield. Carefully select a primary and secondary weapon that complements your preferred playstyle, whether you favor close-quarters combat or long-range engagements. Don't forget to equip lethal equipment, like grenades and tactical equipment, such as smoke bombs, for strategic advantages. Additionally, choose 3 unique perks to enhance your character's abilities, offering benefits like faster reloading or increased health. Finally, customize your weapon with various attachments to improve its performance and accuracy. To consistently win, understanding game modes and employing smart strategies is essential. Each mode, from team deathmatch to domination, has distinct objectives. Focus on completing them. Always collaborate with your teammates. Working together significantly increases your chances of success. Remember to use cover effectively to shield yourself from enemy fire and gain tactical positions. Consistent practice is vital. It will sharpen your aim, improve your map awareness, and enhance your overall reflexes, making you a formidable player on the battlefield.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.